Hi viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to make a grapes earring using silver balls. Okay, let's start. Take a head pin, insert one silver balls into it, cut at the end and make a loop using a plier at the end. Here I have done. Take 4 jump rings and insert 3 balls in first jump rings. Again insert another jump ring and close the first jump rings. After closing, and now we are going to insert a ball in the second jump rings now. Insert 4 balls now. In the second jump ring, and now again a third jump ring is inserted. Now close the second jump ring, and now we are going to insert a ball in third jump ring. Now we are going to insert 3 balls and then close that. Again add a jump ring and insert 6 balls. Close the jump ring. At last 6 balls you are going to insert. First jump ring 3, then 4, then again 3, at last 6 balls. Now at last close the jump ring and insert a hook. And now a simple grape shape earring is ready now. You can also try this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Pebbles. Thanks for watching.